start streaming. Okay, we got that. Make sure YouTube's live. All right, we are live on YouTube now, and we're really gonna and on TikTok here. We're really gonna find out what's going on and really dive into what we're gonna be doing today. Really just kind of taking into account everything that's going on our scanners. We have a lot that's gapping up. ZXZZT, that looks like a shitty stock to trade, but it's gapping up 150%. ZXZZT. Yes. What did I think? Exactly what I thought. All right. So first up on the watch list, gapping up 80, or on the scanners, gapping up, and on the watch list, gapping up 83% with around oh my gosh, that is almost, I think that's like a 10x. It's like almost 100x relative volume. It looks like almost 100x relative volume. We got rejected off the 200 SMA at 332 on the daily. Break above this previous high again. I could see us coming up and fill the gap at 513. Yeah, right now DRPO has 31 million in float as well. So this hits our criteria. Now, what is DPRO? What's going on here? Receives order to supply medical resource rescue drones in Ukraine. Shares soar pre-market. Dragonfly shares are trading higher after the company announced it received an order from its medical response and search and rescue drones from cold chain delivery systems for immediate deployment with revived soldiers in Ukraine. So that's really, really good. I do think we're going to see a nice pop from DPRO today. This has a lot of volume. This is the hype. This is definitely where the stock traders are, is DPRO. This is our top stock to watch for the day. Oh. All right, we also have SMFL. Looking to break the downtrend here. What's going on here? Okay, a couple days ago, Smart for Life stock jumps after launch of its products on Amazon's in Singapore. So that's a good news. It's a couple days ago. It's nothing biggie. I'm just really kind of sitting on my hands waiting for a good opportunity. SMFL is gapping up 33%. Has around almost a 5x relative volume, around a 4x, a little over, and a 7.4 million in float. So this hits all of the criteria: high relative volume, gapping up, and low float. So we're going to keep SMFL on watch. We also have PALI. I like PALI. I like this on the downtrend. Now, you could have taken this, I mean, for a nice higher low. Yeah, for sure. For around 10% right there. It's nice and easy. What's going on here? PALI gets FDA nod to phase 3 study to accelerate bowler function after surgery. So this is also good news. Maybe looking for a nice washout, maybe not washout long, maybe a nice a downtrend break with a nice break right at open. So do like PALI, definitely one of my stocks to watch. We also have BDR. I really hate BDR because we ran up and then gave everything back. BDR, I don't really see any news, so I am going to delete BDR off the watch list, just to clear up my my charts. So BDR, not good. We have TRKA. What's going on with TRKA? Excuse me. TRKA completes acquisition of Converge Direct, adding 300 of revenue and 12 million of net income. So this is good. They got a lot of news. They got a lot of money. So I do like TRKK. That's definitely one of my ones that I want to keep on watch. I actually really like that. Now, what's going on with the rest of the scanners? We have GEVO. It's KXIN or E. We have also ENSV. So this is 6. Gonna go ahead and add them to the watch list. Oh, we have GEVO. Look for GEVO. I like the, not as much. It looked better on the 5-minute here. And then we had that really high volume on this. I wouldn't be looking to take this as a bull flag. GEVO, the volume's low and the flow is high. Signs, Delta Airlines signs 75 million gallon per year agreement with GEVO. Okay, I like that. That's very good news for GEVO. We have ENSV. I mean, we ripped up, gave a lot back. We have some couple fake outs, couple like meh. Not a huge fan. 1 touch, 2 touch, 3 touch on ENSV, and we're just kind of keeping. SMFL is actually excuse me. How are you guys doing? We got 21 people in the TikTok live. Let's go ahead and let's see if we can get to 100 likes. SMFL is breaking the downtrend. We're getting that nice increase in volume. I'm not really a huge fan of it at the moment. I think my top stock is probably going to be DRPO. DRPO and PALI for the nice move higher. We had a nice pullback bounce off the 90 EMA with a very nice bounce. You might be able to get in. I'm not a huge fan of trading pre-market just because I personally like more liquidity and I like using market orders. Sometimes I'll trade pre-market every once in a while if there's a really good setup, but that's not the case. We have some sellers at 141 though. Let's see these sellers at 141 start to get taken out. If we do, we might pop even higher. Someone's trying to sell 21,000 shares. He's getting taken out, but nope, he's not getting taken out. He's actually they're actually winning. Sellers are winning right now, currently. I want to see come back up to 141 and look for the break. I'm really just not doing anything at the moment. Sitting on my hands waiting for a good opportunity. We have TRKA starting to push up into VWAP. Not huge volume. Looking like we're about to break VWAP. We're also coming into the 50 SMA. Yeah, so PALI is definitely one of my top stock to watch. The top 2 stocks on my watch list are DPRO and PALI. We have GEVO, kind of like a bull pennant here. I'm not looking to trade it, but I am going to just draw it out so I can watch what happens. I mean, you could have got the break. We had that nice increasing volume. It's not the best setup. There was the nice retest. You might have been able to scalp an entry at 540 there, 541. Looking for the pop. You want to see a nice break above 545 here. If we don't see a break, there it is over 546, 47. Again, this does not look strong. We have decreasing volume. So if you did buy for the retest, I would be looking to sell a quarter. Maybe it depends. Depends your strategies and your risk tolerance. I'm not a huge fan of that setup, so I did not take it. And I'm not a huge fan of trading pre-market in anyways because of the lack of volume. All right. Yep, DPRO is the top stock in my opinion. Top stock to watch is DPRO. I mean, we have around 9 minutes left till market open. We're going to be sitting on our hands waiting for a good opportunity, but we're also just going to be patient, disciplined traders. We are going to come into every single trade with a trade plan. We are going to execute it with good confirmation. We are going to enter when we see volume confirmation for a bull flag to know that there are buyers and the demand is there for the certain commodity. Then we are going to scale into our winners and cut our losses quick. We want to keep our losses small because we are trying to make a lot of money this month. Ugh. All right. I mean, guys, we're sitting on our hands waiting for a good opportunity, just kind of being patient, letting the market show us what it wants to do. We are reacting to what the market wants to do. We are not anticipating. If we anticipate, we are most likely going to get burned unless you are anticipating with very good risk management and very good scaling in and out. So a very good execution and risk management, it's okay to anticipate every once in a while if you have that kind of setup. I do it all the time. I anticipate a move higher in bull flags, not with my full position, both around a quarter or a half, depending how the setup looks. Thank you guys for the likes. Thank you for the likes. Right now, we are sitting on our hands waiting for a good opportunity because we have 7 minutes left till market open, and we are going to be just consistent traders. I mean, we have all day. It doesn't matter how fast you make money in the market, but it's about who comes home with the most money. Or not even the most money. It comes home who can make money in the market. There's not one strategy that's better than all the others. Whatever strategy you use, whatever strategy can make you money consistently, it is a good strategy. No matter if it's making you 10% or 2%. If you can consistently make 10%, you are most likely, your win rate is probably less than the person who can make 2%. So the person that can make 2% probably has a more consistent income. The 10% could make the same amount, but it's going to be bigger swings. Be like, oh, their account's going to jump so much more. All right, we have our first other top from PALI. Looking for a washout long on PALI for a nice pop up to around 130. If I can catch 130, that would be ideal. If I can catch the 130 up to 160, whoo, that would be ideal. I mean, I'm not seeing anything. We're just sitting on our hands waiting for a good opportunity. Again, trading is boring. If you think trading is fun, you are most likely over trading. If you think trading, oh, hold on, you guys can't even see me. Yeah, so I mean, you guys think trading is fun? You're most likely over trading. You think trading is boring? You're probably doing it right. Trading is 90% of you just sitting on your hands and waiting for a good opportunity. We do have 5 minutes left till market open. We have 4 minutes actually. Excuse me. We are just going to be sitting on our hands waiting for the best opportunity. I might be looking for a washout long. From PALI. But that's going to be a quick, really nice washout. If I can risk, like, I mean, this is very, very risky, a risky play. Maybe I would be looking for around maybe 10. If I can catch 10 cents, that would be ideal. But my goal is really, I would go in with around 1,000 shares. So I'd want around 3 cents to hit my goal, around $30. But 3 cents is not that much. I think we could probably catch 5, 6, 7, 8 cents here, maybe possibly even higher. So we will have to see what happens. Right at market open, we have 3 minutes left. I'm going to turn this off actually because my camera for YouTube is not going to like that light. Alpha, man, awesome. All right, guys, we are pulling back into this level. I want to see a washout long down to around 23. Now, if your stops are at 23? I mean, you can't risk more than 3%, so you have to buy within like this zone, which is very, very that's a small zone. That is a very small zone, and I don't know what. All right, here we go, team. We have 1 minute and 50 seconds. We have GEVO getting that nice break lower. I want to see a washout long down to around 30, maybe lower than 30, then a pop back up to around 140, and then I'm going to take that win. So that's what we're going to be looking for. I would be selling 50 right away, right back at open. I'm looking for around if we can get, it depends where we open. If we open here and we wash out all the way down to 25, I'm going to be buying, I want to buy like 1,000. Make sure that the bid, and then I'm going to sell 50 shares when we come back into 140. If we break below 123, I have to cut my loss. If we break below that level. The 220 EMA on the 5 minute is also approaching this level. I do want to see a nice washout into this area. Would be looking for a nice break above 138, possibly for around 10 cents here. If I can catch 10 cents, that would be ideal. Let's see how big the spread is. We're gonna be live here in around 10 seconds. I think DRPO was a really good stock to watch. Oh, we didn't even see DRPO. Oh, I kind of want to watch DRPO for the washout. Oh my gosh, but I'm gonna watch this. Pull back. No! Oh man. Guys, I had to sell it there. I didn't mean to buy. I didn't mean to buy. I was bought way too early. $800. I have around, I'm gonna trade with around 800 more dollars. I have, yeah. I'm looking to scale in there. I scaled in around 4. Stops are at low a day. Yeah, we're getting a lot of resistance here. I mean, I'm really jumping in to being too quick with everything. I need to slow it down, look for the better setups. We have a nice double bottom, looking for the pop here, getting that volume in. I want to see this break over the open. I want to see this break over the open here. I have 100 shares left on the table. Might as well take it out. Yeah, I'll take it. It's probably going to break higher. I wouldn't be surprised. The RPO is ripping. SMFL did not break higher. It's coming lower. All levels at 390. Okay, we broke the new high. Where are we going to go from here? I'm looking for a nice dip buy here. There's a nice washout from DRPO. Could have held it, and then it's still ripping up. It's still absolutely ripping. There's a nice dip off. Alrighty. CC. Hold on. Looking for a nice dip trade here. And it looks like it's going to continue to break higher. I mean, Jesus. DPRO is continuing just to rip. All right, I want to see a decreasing volume pullback here for the break back up into this level. We have that previous high, 343, looking for a retest. Of this level. Oh, we're getting just... They're in with 50 cents. Nothing, 50 shares, sorry. I'm going to wait. I'm going to scale in with a little bit more. I'm going to add on to my winners. This looks stupid bullish. I can't buy this. It's not, I can't buy it. Yeah. Let's see it come back just a little bit more. There's 5 seconds left. I want to see a nice quick pullback. Got him with 150 shares. Looking for the break, looking for the crack. We've decreasing volume. It's coming down low. I want to see it break 378. We have very light volume. Might have to cut it here. There's decreasing volume. I would have got stopped out there. Want to see it start to move higher here. Want to see if once this flips green, I'm going to move. My stops are now at 353. Stops are at 353. Once we break that previous high, I'm selling half. We never cracked it. Jesus, that was way too quick. Oh my God, that rug pull, I couldn't get out quick enough. Yeah, guys, that rug pull, I'm done trading for the day. Done trading. SMFL didn't really get it. I mean, this would have been a good trade if I held on to this position, ripped up. That would have been 200. That would have been around a $100 trade or more. Yeah, we had a nice pop. Watched for the pop. It continued to go higher. I saw it liquidate everybody. We got the pop higher, and then I just wasn't quick enough when I wanted to sell. I mean, I was up around 20 cents on there, or around $30 at the peak, but wasn't able to capitalize on it. And looks like we might be coming into this. Could be a nice fake move. We could be looking to go higher. We did come into this area of resistance. We got SMFL up 11.46. I mean, I'm up $8.80. That's it. $8.80. I don't know about you guys, but that is not ideal. Break even today. It's fine. It's green. Not what I wanted. Yeah, I mean, I wanted it to pop up higher. We weren't getting that jump, but we did get a nice pullback into this area. SPCB. Play you aren't any. SPCB. Getting a nice pop there. I like it. SBCB. But we did get we're just getting rejected hard, and we do have light volume to the upside. PALI I mean, all these stocks I think, no, it wasn't this one. I think it's SMFL. SMFL, I actually scaled. I jumped in here and sold at the top here for the nice dip and reversal back. Really didn't mean to do that necessarily. I kind of did, but like kind of didn't. I had my stops pretty tight, break even. I was risking around 1 cent. But DPRO, I was looking for I got a nice quick scalp here, really quick. I didn't mean to jump. I was actually looking to jump in here at this level, like right in here, but I wasn't able to. I got filled all the way up here, so I had to immediately sell. And then I was looking for a nice dip trade, for a nice scaled in here, then scaled in more as we were coming down to this area. Saw the nice pop, and that pop was just way too quick for me to react. I tried to sell 50 shares at the top and then wasn't able to, and I had to flatten my position real quick. So I lost some money on this stock, and I'm done for the day. President talked yesterday about cyber attack of some of these plays saw spikes. That makes sense. That makes sense. Yeah, I mean, I wish I just had more capital to trade. I'd be trading most of the day. I mean, it's unfortunate. So I mean, I'm done for the day, and just not really. It's just unfortunate. I don't like this false breakout. This is a little to take this DRPO. I was looking for a pullback down into this area. Might have a nice higher low here, but I'm not really a huge fan of it at all. Especially since we got this pop, and I just wasn't quick selling it. I should have had my limit orders. It was at 60, around 65, 66. I mean, once we broke that high, yeah. I mean, I really should have sold half when we broke up to that 380 mark at 150. Sold like 70 shares or so. Get that 70 shares. Yeah, I mean, that's what I should have done, but you know, you live and you learn. I mean, this is a very risky stock. It wasn't risky. I mean, we just weren't seeing that momentum, and I should have had my parameters really just planned out a little bit more. So thank you guys so much for stopping in. I will see you guys bright and early tomorrow morning. I'm really kind of focusing away from showing up at 9. I really like to show up at 9. I'm at my computer by when I wake up to go to the gym in the morning. I'm at my computer by 8:15, but today I was here by 8:50, live by 9:10. just because I don't really trade pre-market. Pre-market doesn't really have the volume, doesn't really have the liquidity. The setups aren't as good. So I don't really go live because we cover the watch list and then I really have nothing to talk about. Because I also want to kind of save my account and my capital for the live markets. See, when I have $25,000 in my account and I have when I have a margin account, that is when I'm going to be able to trade and actually have a lot of fun in the market. Again, fun is like you're being disciplined, you're being responsible traders. So today we got 8.80. Boom. That's what I'm talking about. Nah, it's I mean, I'm up 8% on my account this month. Up 8% on my account, but since I have a cash account, I can only use half of what this starting balance is. So you have to times this by 2. So I'm almost up. If I can make another $70 in the next week, 2 weeks, I will have made 20% on my account, which is awesome, in 1 month. If I can do that consistently every month, ooh, that would be amazing. That would be awesome, awesome, awesome. So again, guys, it's all about the consistency. Let's go ahead and look what's going on here. Let's go to our interest initial balance. I'm going to say 1,500, and then it's around 20% monthly. So 20% of this, 10% is 150. Yeah. So I want to do it for half a year. So I'll have around $4,500 or around $9,000 because you got to times it by 2 since it's for everything. So I do like that. If I can keep this up, that would be amazing. But you never know. You never know. So anyways, thank you guys so much for stopping in. I will see you guys bright and early. I have a win percentage of around 75%. That's good. That is very good. I mean, I had then SMFL just kind of continue to rip. All right, thank you, Yasmin, for stopping in. I think Josh is still live on YouTube. He's a great resource to watch, and I will see you guys tomorrow.